Hello, my name is Rendy Tandaiman. I'm from 5BB class. Today I want to explain about variables and their types. But first of all, I want to discuss about what is variable. So, a variable in research simply refers to a person's place, thing, or phenomenon that you are trying to measure in some way. The best way to understand the difference between a dependent and independent variable is that the meaning of each is implied by what the words tell us about the variable you are using. Okay, there have three kinds of variable. First is independent variable. An independent variable is exactly what it sounds like. It is a variable that stands alone and isn't changed by the other variable you are trying to measure. For example, someone's age might be an independent variable. Other factors such as what they eat, how much they go to school, how much television they watch aren't going to change a person's age. In the fact, when you are looking for some kind of relationship between variable, you are trying to see if the independent variable has some kind of change in the other variable or dependent variable. And the second variable is a dependent variable. Just like an independent variable, a dependent variable is exactly what it sounds like. It is something that depends on other factor. For example, a test score could be a dependent variable because it could change depending on several factors such as how much you study, how much sleep you got the night before you took the test, or even how hungry you were when you took it. Usually, when you are looking for a relationship between two things, you are trying to find out what makes the independent variable change the way it is. And the last one of the variable, it is a control variable. A control variable or scientific constant in a scientific experiment is an experimental element which is a constant and unchanged throughout the course of the investigation. Control variables could strongly influence experimental results, where they not held constant during the experiment in order to test the relative relationships of the dependent and independent variable. The control variable themselves are not of primary interest to the experimenter. Okay, I think it's enough explanation about variable. Thank you.